It's official. The United Nations now has Palestine's application to join the International Criminal Court. But where it goes from here is far from clear.
This is a very significant step in which we will be going through it to seek justice through a legal option. It is a peaceful option. It is a civilized option. It is an option that anyone who upholds the law should not be afraid of.
If the Palestinian leadership has its way, the court will investigate Israel's 2014 invasion of Gaza, which resulted in the death of some 2,000 civilians, and also the ongoing construction of Israeli settlements on land the UN says belongs to the Palestinians. But how far back and to what incidents the court's authority will ultimately apply is open to debate. Palestinians could also be charged for war crimes, including firing rockets into Israel. And while most countries already recognize Palestine as a state, Israel doesn't.
The government of Israel is very upset because of this unilateral step. Israel said that Palestine is not an independent state yet, so they don't have the right to go to ICC right now. And Israel expect that the ICC will reject the application.
The move comes days after the UN Security Council rejected a resolution setting a deadline for the end of Israeli occupation. U.S.-led peace talks broke down earlier this year, but the U.S. and Israel say unilateral actions like this will hinder future negotiations.
The spokesperson for Secretary General Ban Ki-moon says the United Nations has received the application and is considering appropriate next steps. Even if the application is accepted without a hitch, it will take 60 days for jurisdiction to kick in, and it could take months before the court decides whether or not to even take up a case. Kristen Salumi, Al Jazeera, the United Nations.